Hope you enjoyed the trailer, and I'm pretty much sure my voice disturbed the flow, but let's design some logos like they are from other dimensions. So first, find what logo is this. Yeah, you guessed it right, it's Batman. So if you have a look into the Twitter's logo, it's not even a bird, it's a Batman. Get it? Then what are we waiting for? Let's open up Blender and made it into a 3D logo. Yeah, because we have 2D logos, so it should be 3D in the other dimension, right? First I yoinked an image of Twitter from Google, because you can see that the outlines are very much similar, so we can use the Twitter logo as a reference to create the 3D model. First we have to map the outline of the bird so that we can just get a surface of it, and we want to extrude the surface. So this will give a 3D model of the bird which can be used to create the Batman model. Now let's create the Bat Twitter. Yeah, it's because Batman plus Twitter, it's Bat Twitter, right? First I changed the color of the bird and gave it a face and a smiley look. Ta-da! Our Bat Twitter is now ready. Bat Twitter sounds more like Bat Twitter. Now our Batman is ready. Okay, now we have to create the cave for him to live, because bats live under the caves. Before creating the caves, we have to connect some nodes to place our Batman inside the 3D world. You know what? It kinda reflects my life. Yeah. Now let's place some rock. No, not this rock. This rock. After placing a bunch of rocks here and there, we got something like a cave for our Batman. And then I changed the color of the curve a little bit, and then added some particles using Blender's particle system, and then I just added a character animation which walked towards our Batman to give it kind of a Hollywood look. And here is how it looked like. Now let's invite some friends for our Batman's house. Discord. As always, we have to map the outline of the Discord in order to get the surface of it, and we can just extrude it to get the 3D model. Now we have the 3D model of the Discord. He is looking kind of a good boy with a cute smile, so let's make him as a bad boy. So after turning him into a 3D model, I gave him an angry look and gave him a red outline, so it gave him kind of an dangerous bad boy look. That's exactly what I want. Which looks something like this. Mapping the Nike logo is not a big deal. But what I am supposed to do with this one single little tick mark? But as a wise man once said, if there is nothing to do with logo, then change the slogan. You idiot. Perfect. Hello YouTube, how are you doing? Please recommend my videos more. Why are you doing like As YouTube is playing videos since 2005, he needs some break. Spotify. Wait a second. What the is this? After spending hours into identify the meaning of the logo, I finally found that it's a symbol of signal. Yes, other dimensions don't have proper internet connection, so it is going to be no signal. And done, we create some friends for our Batman. So let's put them into the cave. Yeah, logos inside cave. Totally natural. Now let's introduce our friends to our Batman. But before doing that, we are now having more people, so we have to increase the size of the curve. Again, after placing a bunch of rocks here and there, I somehow managed to create the curve for our new friends and placed all those logos inside the cave, and I add some camera animation. So we are done. I hope you will like the result. So if you did, then make sure to smash like and subscribe. If you didn't, then smash dislike. And all these things are free to smash. So smash those things and see you in the next one.